Welcome to Supercar. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of 2024, the Dacia Duster. A car that has consistently pushed boundaries in the affordable SUV market. The 2024 Duster introduces exciting new features, enhanced capabilities, and a closer look at its maintenance costs for the first year. Stick around to find out how this rugged yet budget-friendly vehicle can fit your lifestyle. And don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Now let's get started. The 2024 Dacia Duster borrows heavily from the design language of the Bigster concept. It's bold, rugged, and designed for adventure. Measuring 171 inches in length, it's nearly the same size as its predecessor, but boasts a more muscular appearance. The additional plastic body cladding and robust skid plates enhance its off-road appeal while providing extra protection in challenging terrains. The Y motif for the LED lights adds a modern touch, and the integrated rear door handles in the C-pillars give it a sleek, uninterrupted profile. Dacia has also improved its eco-credentials with recycled materials like Starkle plastics for some exterior components. The overall look screams functionality while maintaining a rugged charm. Inside, the Duster prioritizes durability and practicality. The cabin is simple yet functional with hard plastics dominating the surfaces. While these materials may not scream luxury, they're designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use and outdoor adventures. Key interior highlights include a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.1-inch touchscreen angled toward the driver, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, 4 illuminated USB ports for ultimate convenience, wireless smartphone charging, a 6-speaker sound system, rear passengers enjoy more legroom, and the boot space has increased to 472 liters, enough for 3 suitcases. The optional sleep pack featuring a fold-out double bed, a table, and additional storage makes the Duster a fantastic choice for road trips and overnight adventures. Setting up the sleep pack takes less than 2 minutes, making it perfect for impromptu plans. Dacia has made bold moves with the 2024 Duster's powertrains. The diesel engine is gone, replaced by more efficient and environmentally friendly options. 1.2-liter TC 130 mild hybrid, turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, available in front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations, delivers improved fuel efficiency and performance. Eco G100 LPG engine, runs on liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, and petrol. Offers an impressive range of up to 808 miles with both tanks full, reduces CO2 emissions by 10% compared to standard petrol engines. Hybrid 140, combines a 1.6-liter naturally aspirated engine with 2 electric motors. Features a 1.2 kWh battery and automatic transmission, starts in electric mode and supports regenerative braking, cuts fuel consumption by 20% overall and up to 40% in city driving. These options provide flexibility for various needs from long-distance travelers to eco-conscious city drivers. The Duster has always been a capable off-roader, and the 2024 model is no exception. With 8.5 inches of ground clearance, a 31-degree approach angle, and a 36-degree departure angle, it's ready to tackle rugged trails. Features like downhill speed control and 5 driving modes, auto, snow, mud sand, off-road and eco, ensure optimal performance in any condition. Let's address one of the key questions. How much does it cost to maintain the 2024 Dacia Duster during its first year? Dacia's reputation for affordability extends beyond the showroom, with maintenance costs kept impressively low. Here's a breakdown of typical expenses. Oil changes. Estimated cost, $100 to $150 per service. Recommended every 10,000 miles or annually. Tire maintenance, rotation and balancing, $50 to $70 per visit. Replacement if needed, $400 to $600 for a full set of quality all-season tires. Brake inspection and pads, inspection, $50 to $100. Replacement, $150 to $300 per axle. General inspections and fluids, routine inspections, $100 to $150. Coolant and brake fluid replacement, $50 to $100 each. Overall, first-year maintenance costs are estimated at $400 to $700, depending on driving habits and service locations. This affordability makes the Duster a great option for budget-conscious drivers. The 2024 Dacia Duster has a starting price of £18,315 for the base model, with top trims reaching up to £26,850. Compared to competitors like the Volkswagen T-Cross and Renault Captur, it offers remarkable value, especially when considering the hybrid options and off-road capabilities. Monthly payments start at £235, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. The Duster's unique combination of ruggedness, practicality, and affordability makes it a standout choice. Whether you're an adventurous spirit or a family looking for a reliable daily driver, the Duster delivers on all fronts. It's no surprise that it's one of Europe's best-selling SUVs, with over 2.2 million units sold since its debut. The 2024 Dacia Duster proves that you don't need to break the bank to own a versatile, feature-packed SUV. From its hybrid powertrain options to its practical interior and off-road prowess, it's a vehicle that caters to modern needs without losing its no-frills charm. What do you think of the 2024 Duster's updates? Would you consider it for your next SUV? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.